Well, about midnight, Orange County Fire Authority received notification of a structure fire here in the 400 block of South Birch Street in Santa Ana. First units came on scene, had a well-involved residence. We had multiple exposure problems to the left, right, and rear of the structure. Due to the nature of involvement, we actually initially went to a defensive actions on the structure. Didn't do any interior firefighting. Those concerns were well-founded because now that we've gone interior to the house, we've discovered that there has been some floor compromise. We've done primary, secondary searches of the residences, have not found anyone in the house right now. We've got knockdown on the fire. We have about 36 firefighters on scene from Orange County Fire and Orange City. Not only do you have to worry about the house that's on fire, you have to worry about the houses that are directly next to them. Investigators are on scene. It's going to take them a little bit of time to sift through a lot of the rubble here at the incident. There are some pretty decent pack rat conditions in the front yard. It's definitely going to slow the investigation down. We're going to give them the time they need to come up with an accurate estimate of exactly how this fire started.